Motivation is the driving force that inspires us to take action and pursue our goals. It can come from a variety of sources, including personal interests, the desire for achievement and recognition, and the pursuit of personal fulfillment. One effective way to stay motivated is to set specific, achievable goals for oneself. This provides a clear direction and a sense of purpose, and allows individuals to track their progress and see the results of their efforts. It can also be helpful to celebrate small victories along the way, as this can provide a sense of accomplishment and encourage further progress. Another key aspect of motivation is having a positive attitude and maintaining a growth mindset. This involves believing in one's abilities and being open to learning and improvement. It also involves being resilient and persistent in the face of challenges and setbacks. Finding ways to stay engaged and interested in one's work can also be motivating. This may involve seeking out new opportunities for learning and growth, seeking out new challenges, or finding ways to make one's work more meaningful and purposeful. Overall, motivation is an essential component of achieving success and reaching one's full potential. By setting goals, maintaining a positive attitude, and finding ways to stay engaged and motivated, individuals can push themselves to new heights and achieve their dreams.